In this video, we will review the new dashboard, which will become your main point of reference in MyQ7 Leader. Here you will find all the information relevant to you for easy access, as well as all tasks expected of you at any given point. In the first section here, I will see all information that are relevant to me. So my start date in company, I will see my department, my manager, and my birth date, as well as my role description and profile, if it is used by your organization. So if I click on it, I will be able to see the description of my specific role. Next, if I'm a manager, I will be able to see the section of team members, where I will by default see all the people that I have access to. But if I want to only see people that are directly reporting to me, my N-1s, I can choose the filter manager. And in here, I can see only the people that are reporting directly to me. From here, I can also go to their individual page of the team scan. Then if I go back, I can also start a conversation and add an objective. Of course, all of these options are only available to your organization if your organization is using them. Next, we have the section of My Objectives that is also only available if your company is using the objectives in MyQ7 Leader, which are going to be filtered directly by the current cycles. Currently, we're in a period of in-between, so I have 2 cycles active, but normally you will only see 1 cycle. So you can change the filter as you want, and you can also view the objectives that were set in the previous or the next years. From here, I can view a general overview of the percentage of achieved objectives or objectives that are going on as planned, like objectives that are on track. Or I can also view the details of each objective individually. So if I click on this first objective, I can see the status and everything linked to this objective in particular. And I can also click on Update Objective, which will take me to the full view of this objective, where I can also make changes on the progress and the status of this objective. Next, I have my agenda part, which is going to be very interesting for you, whether you need to approve any objectives, you need to create a profile scan, you need to do your self-scan, or you need to do your annual conversation review with your team members or manager. You will receive all the tasks that need to be done here. All you need to do is simply click on Start Now, and this will automatically start your task that is required of you. Additionally, I can also filter here on my tasks, so I can only see the tasks that are related to me in a specific context, such as, for example, self-scan in here, which I don't have any tasks related to self-scan currently, or objectives, conversations, or team scan. Thank you for watching, and we hope that this dashboard feature will help you be more productive and focus only on the things that are expected of you at that given moment. Thanks, and have a great day.